Hey, what's up? This is Christopher from Crizo.net and TotalIPad.com, both my websites. Today I'm going to do a review of a video application on the iPad. This is a universal application. It is available in the App Store for $2.99, so it will work on your iPhone, iPad, iPad mini, and I'm assuming the iPod Touch. I don't have one, but I know it does work on the iPhone as well as the iPad and iPad mini. So the application that I'm going to review today is called Intro Designer, and basically what this is it allows you to create intros to your videos, and it's really cool because you can create an intro in Intro Designer, export it to your camera roll, and then if you want to create your video, say like in iMovie or Pinnacle Studio, you can import your intro footage to either one of those applications and then put it at the beginning of your actual video that you may be editing on your iPad or your iPhone. So let me open it up and I'll show you a little bit of the features and a little bit of what it's about. So here's an intro that I created right here on my iPad already, and I'll show you this, show you what it looks like, and then I'll actually go in here and create one on the air and kind of show you how to do it and some of the options that you have for creating an intro. So let's go. So here is my video intro. Alright, that was my intro video that I created, and you'll notice you have a lot of little things that you can change here in this intro. And let me back up here and I'm going to show you some of the options that you have for the application now. So in order to create one, you can tap the plus sign right here. You also have the help menu up here on top left. You can tap that and it gives you like tutorial mode, support and feedback if you want to like it, or you can visit their app, and I believe the website is introdesignerapp.com if you want to do that. So I'm not going to do that right now. So let's just back out of here and I'm going to tap the plus sign and we will create a new intro video. Alright, so when it first launches, you choose your template. So you can go through here and you can just swipe left to right between these. And these are Celebrate, I believe, or the first one. And you got like birthday, wedding, just married, whatever. And notice down here at the bottom you have some different options: Celebrate, Simple, Sports. So let's do an abstract one. Whoops, let me do abstract. And I have flares, I have fluid, that's the one you just seen. I have ink, shapes and colors. Let me see what else we have down here for options. How about cinematic? Let's try that. See the one, flares, horror, fluid, in credits, open in titles. Let's do open in titles. So I would download this, and you can actually tap the little eye right here if you want to see a little bit of info about each of these templates that you may choose to download. So you can just tap that and it'll kind of show you amazing open in template, 5 text placeholders. So that means I'll have 5 different places to add my text, like welcome to Crizo.net, created on an iPad by Christopher Rizzo. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Something along those lines. Yes, I do want to proceed. Just keep in mind, if you have a smaller storage capacity iPad, like say a 16 gigabyte iPad, or maybe even like an 8 gigabyte iPhone, this will use storage space on your device if you are downloading these templates. And as you can see, that one was 30 megabytes. So if you downloaded every one of these templates, would take up quite a bit of space on your device, especially if you don't have that much space available on your device. And everyone has a different size storage device, so results may vary. Just be aware of that. Alright, so I have downloaded my template here, and you can actually tap the settings in here. I can choose icon, delete media files, yada yada yada. So I'm going to choose that template. I've downloaded it, and now I can go ahead and play a little bit. I can pause it there, and then I can tap to change the title here. So let's tap on that. Let's change this, and we'll just put done. You could actually change the font. You could do like, you can just go through here and you got a couple different options. So let's go with future media. Let's make that a little bit bigger. And then I can tap right here, and I want to position that right there, and I want that to match, so I will go with media. Let me back up here to Crizzle.net. You can just tap these arrows here to go back and forth between like Crizzle.net or Present. I can just tap the arrow to switch that. You can change the color of the font. So let's see, a little bit of hue. Let's see, what a nice yellow here. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so we'll keep that yellow there. You can turn music on or off, and then like I said, you can position it. So we'll play a little bit more. Pause it there, and then you can do template by, and instead of doing that, we will delete that. We will do and then we'll get rid of that. Now we'll go back here to TotalIPad.com. I'm done. And I want to make this a lot larger, and I want to push it over here to the right, and I'll leave that one white. It looks good. Open in titles, and whoops, and I can just change that. Done. Just match out. So let's put it right on that line down there at the bottom. And you know what? I'm going to slide that over and just get it off that line, the G. And then we'll go to the next one. Alright, so that's my video. That's my intro video right there. And actually with this one I would want to move thanks, because when it ends, let's see, I want to end on the screen, and then you can export it. So I can just tap up here at the right. You got a couple options for file size. So I can tap export, and you'll notice here you could do 640 by 300, 960 by 540, or 1280 by 720. So I would go high def, 1280 by 720. Just remember, when you export this to your camera roll, that will also use storage space. So the larger the video size, the larger the file is going to be. Could be 1 gigabyte. It's not going to be that much, but maybe 300 megs or something. Be a decent size. You could also turn the music off, sound effects, save to camera roll, and then you can share an intro. And I can just tap share, and then I can tap export. Alright, and there it has. It has successfully exported to my camera roll, and now I have the option to share it. I can share it to Facebook, to YouTube, to email, or I can just tap done. I'm not going to share it. I was just showing you that you did have the option to do that. Right, and if you want to delete your project, you can just swipe from left to right on the title, and you will have the option to delete the project or clone the project. So I'm not going to do that, so I'll just tap now. If you want to name your project, which I didn't do in the thing, and you'll notice it says Untitled, just tap on it, and then just tap where it says Untitled. And then go back, and you have your project right there, and it just kind of shows you open and title, time, and whatever you chose to name your intro. But that's it. That's Intro Designer. Like I said, $2.99 universal application. If you're into messing around with videos on your iPad, it's definitely a must-have. It's a great little app. A lot of great little templates that you can download to it. Very easy to customize, and it's actually a very good app. It does what it's supposed to do. It's just an intro. You want something simple, then definitely consider grabbing this application right here. Remember, you could find me on the web at TotalIPad.com, where I have all my iPad tips, tricks, video reviews, product reviews, whatever it is. Crizo.net, or it's like a Tumblr blog, so I have all kind of stuff on there. I do post my iPad stuff on both sites, but also have other things on there, Android stuff, digital camera stuff, video editing stuff, all that. Just Crizo.net. If you're on Google Plus, look for me, Christopher Rizzo. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.